Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I'll show you how we can customize always on display. So right now my always on display looks like that, and we are going to customize it. Let's open settings, find lock screen and find always on display. And first we can change show on time. I'm going to get it as always. Next we can, for example, show music information and change the clock style. Let's check the graphic. Maybe we are going to get this GIF. We can change position of it. Wait a minute. But how we can change it? Okay. Never mind. Just get it like that. Click down and there it is in the clock style. Okay. We can change also the position mode from landscape to portrait and vice versa. Let's turn off the auto brightness and let's set always as a maximum and take a look right now when we close it. It will look like that. As you can see, our always on display has changed. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.